chairs that we saw on Instagram. So, we have a large elastic band around us, so we're going to keep moving in a circle while the music is playing, and then when the music stops, we're supposed to drop to the floor. Not really drop to the floor, we must catch out the elastic.
Catch out
of the last kit.
Okay.
Last kit.
Yeah.
The last person with the band around them has to leave the circle. You understand, ladies?
I'm going to give you a joke. So they explain the games.
Everybody run left for a while.
As the music, everybody run.
But don't follow instruction.
No,
all
but
right.
Hold on, no. Come here. No, they have a plan. Sim, you come here. Come here.
Why? Are they strategizing against us?
They have a plan that the whole of them went drop.
Too wicked.
You? Yeah, no, it's all right. They have a plan. Say everybody will move one time and leave me here alone.
Wickedness increase.
So me I grab you and you can't go away. You know?
Okay, ready.
All right.
This
We're going to go this way. Music. Music.
Can't touch this.
Can't
touch this.
I'm gonna wide out the circle, I mean.
Can't touch this.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Goodbye. No. Come here. Come here. I didn't use them head for me somewhere.
Wickedness. All right.
My music hits me
so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me.
It don't stop. It don't stop.
It did.
No, it don't stop. Let me alone understand. It did not stop.
You never hear it stop, man?
No, it never
so
stopped.
What are we going for? It did stop.
No,
it did
it don't stop. No.
Come back.
It stopped. No.
Your favor. Come back. It stopped a while ago.
It did not stop.
It did for a millisecond. It did.
And I am the only one know the game.
Well, you're the only one who never
You're a crook.
out.
Me see the crook. Me see now you already.
Want to wide up the circle, please?
Yeah.
Thanks.
But then you know, can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man. You can't touch this. Let me.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, boy, I want to take off my glasses.
Well, I know. On the plan not working. On the plan not working.
My hair is going to catch me up in this.
You can't come and go like on the one beat. We come more in the middle. Come. Yeah? There we go again.
Definitely, look where you have the last piece, you know?
Let's see him.
Well, no, why don't the circle, I mean? Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, my gosh. Come on, Tim. These young ones coming here like they want to show people. Them don't know it.
What's up? Wait, are you a game?
Go down.
Is your game?
Wait.
Ready again?
Wait. Ready. Ready, go.
Hold on, pull a little bit.
Guys, why don't the circle, now, man?
Like that. Pull a little bit, fall on back. Let them know that you're too much.
And this is a beat. You can't touch. No, look at what is happening here. Do you understand? Do you understand it? Oh, Nev! Oh, bring back my party.
Match done. Me I go
what
home.
Happened?
Me I go home. Match done.
No, for real. We gone.
Are your fault, you know? Are your fault?
Oh, you're too teeth.
Oh, yes. You come on TV and say me two teeth.
No, for real. Yeah? Put my hair into my shirt, please. Thanks. Oh, my jaw.
The young lady come on television and say me two teeth.
She's not wrong.
Me I take it out.
Why am I and Jada? No, Jada's a goal shoot. She fast, you know.
Oi,
MVP.
you cannot lose this.
The last time you tell me that I lost.
Go, Summer.
Move with your arm.
Go, Summer.
Put it low.
With your...
Go, Summer, go. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Jada, why don't the circle, man?
Guys dress dressed in black. Remember that, just in case we ever face to face and make contact. The title
Jada, wide out the circle. Tension, Jada. Jada, wide out the circle. Wide out the circle, Jada.
Walk a shadow.
May I get dizzy? I don't know what just happened.
That tie. That tie. Well done,
Dizzy.
Jada. Guys, come back now. Come back, team. Come back, team.
Take what? Say who?
Sir. Match done. Match done. Come back, guys. Come back, come back, come back. Thank you so very, very, very much for being a part of it. What's up? What's
You
it
have to look
about
at
me?
the timing on the last exit and say who came out last.
See the winner here.
You just slow it down.
See the winner
Just
here.
slow down the replay.
Words Jada say me thief. Jada cannot win
It's
this.
true, it's not Jada winning.
It's you. You must
Slow
win.
down the replay and you will see who
must win.
exited.
But thanks, guys.
First.
Thanks, guys. And good luck. I know Simone must have asked you already, but who's going to be a sunshine girl?
All of them. They're already sunshine.
Beautiful. Beautiful. All right.
Okay, my head is spinning. I'm just going to rest over here.
That's it
Just
for
throw the break for me,
something to smile about.
Mercy.
So come. Stay with us, please. Please catch that.